Myself, Dr. Arisham Jagarwal, Associate Professor, Government College, Tonk. Labor economics. Labor economics may be defined as a study of the organization, institutions, and behavior of the labor market in an industrialization of industrial economy. Labor economics. Introduction of labor economics. Introduction of labor economics. In previous lectures on economics, adequate attention has been given to the concept of economics, economics problems, its scope of economics and its branches. Now we introduce labor economics, which is a subdivision of labor economics. Meaning of labor. Labor is one of the primary factors of production. Other factors include labor, capital, and entrepreneurship, derived demand. These are input we drive. Note that labor is the collect name given the product service embodied in human physical efforts, skill, intellectual power, etc. There are different types of effort and skill content. This means that labor input is not homogeneous according to the principle of economics produce. Resources are relatively scarce or limited. This means that the desire of consumer, business and governmental unit for goods and services exceed our productive capacity. Since resources are scarce and the want unlimited, society is obliged to manage this resource efficiently. Labor economics therefore looks at ways labor as a resource could be efficiently utilized. Definition. Labor economics. Definition. Labor economics. Labor economics is the branch of economics which studies the workings and outcomes of the market for labor services. Labor economics deals with the behavior of employees and employees to the pecuniary as wages, prices, profits, and non-pecuniary working conditions, work, environmental aspects of the employment relationship. Firms operate in three markets as they pursue their objectives of profit maximization: the labor markets, the capital market, and the product market. Importance of labor economics. The study of labor economics is important for the following reasons. First is it helps economists to understand labor related problems, e.g. issues on fair wages or salaries workers, welfare of workers, labor productivity, worker safety, gender related matters, job security and job satisfaction. Second is the study important in providing data for economic planning and policy, e.g. it helps economists to know the contribution of labor services to people's economy income as wages and salaries. There is evidence that in most economy, labor inputs in the most of economic resources. Now third is the study of labor economics helps us to understand the nature of the market in which labor services are bought and sold. Scope of labor economics. Labor economics is concerned with issues that affect or concern the labor process. Issues that concerns labor forces include: first is labor mobility and migration, second is labor markets, third is supply of labor, four is unions and collective bargaining, fifth is work leisure decision, sixth is government and institutions, seven is participation rates of labor, eight is wage structure, nine is quality of labor, 10 is personal distribution of earning, 11 is labor productivity, 12 is wages and inflation, and last 13 is employment and unemployment. Thanks.